Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Yes, it's Monday. Monday, November the 9th, 2020. Yes, we have only one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. There is also an additional, is the page next. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, 2 tectonics, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, but I will definitely do the regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. And this will be number 1859. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 10, 13, 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 plus 4 is 22 plus 5, 22 plus 5 is equal to 27. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars, the 1 star has 27 printed digits, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, 4 stars has 24. So you can say it's a 1 star Sudoku. Yes, alright. So let's get started. I see here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And then a 2 in this row, a 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then. How about the number 1, 6. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 6. 1, 4, 6. We see here 4 and the 6. So no 4 and the 6 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 1. The 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 6 and the 4. Alright. And now the last column, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in those 3 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and a 7. That means the other 3 numbers in the last column should be the 3, the 1, and the 4. 3, 1, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column should be the number 1. How about the other 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the row below? So in the last row, only place for the 6 should be there. And then we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then. 6 and 4, 8 and 5. How about 4, 9, 7? Let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. 5. We have a pair in this big square. We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Same with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square should be the 5 and the 8. 8 and a 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6 and a 7, we see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes and there. Alright. Two, 3, and 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are in the first column the 2, the 3, and the 7. 2, 7, 3. 2, 7, and 3. We see a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Yeah. 8. Okay. 1 box left in the second row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8, let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 6 and 4, 6 and 4, alright. 9, 7. Alright. To the 3, no 3 there, 3, 3. 6, yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there, 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers in this big square, the 9 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you, 9 and the 4. These 2 numbers in this big square, the missing numbers here are the 5 and the 8. 5 and the 8. Yeah, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. How about those 2 numbers in this big square? The 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 are missing. Yes. 9, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7. Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 9. No, 9 we have. It's the 2. The 2 is missing, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.